Magazine presents Chirp's Look and Learn.
How does a sunflower grow?
A sunflower seed is planted in the ground. It needs lots of water and sunlight to grow. Roots start to sprout and grow down into the dirt. After a few weeks, the roots have grown deeper. A stem and leaves sprout up. The stem is very strong now. A bud forms at the top. The bud's petals get pushed open. Ta-da! Young sunflowers turn to face the sun throughout the day as they grow taller and taller. At the end of the season, the plant dries up, and the seeds in the center of the flower can be planted to grow new sunflowers next summer. Fun flower fact: inside a sunflower seed's shell is a kernel you can eat.